This view from my window reminded me of the beauty of nature. The busyness of life has kept me indoors for far too long.
Hello everyone, it's me, James Fisher, and I'm here with Mama. Yeah, we're going to have a picnic.
We found this sheltered area to have our picnic.
Okay, we brought sushi, cucumber sushi, and then Mommy's batwan, which is fried flour with vegetables. And then we also brought chicken, and I baked some of these egg tarts last night. And we're gonna have a picnic, right Mom?
Okay.
And this is everything that we have. We're going to eat. Here we go. We're gonna dip it in the sauce. Mmm. Very nice, Mom.
Yep.
Crunchy.
You like it?
Mm-hmm. Here, Mom, have some.
Yes.
We didn't bring a plate.
Actually, we can bring the plate, plastic apart.
Yeah, but we forgot just now. The last sushi. Didn't finish it. I shared the box with Mama. We ate one entire box of sushi. Mmm. So good, right?
Mm.
Food at the beach just hits different. It just tastes so much better. Yeah. Because you have the wind blowing chicken. So relaxing. Just walking at the beach.
While walking, we chanced upon this castle, which I thought was a cute concept that plays off of the idea of sandcastles. There weren't that many people at the beach, since it was a weekday, and most people are busy.
I'm collecting seashells by the seashore. Like the rhyme. Seashells by the seashore. Found some really cool seashells. Wow. Ooh. A lot of nice ones. This is my collection so far. This is what I got. Ooh. Found this really tiny, shiny one. So cool. Ooh. And this one. All these tiny seashells. Some more seashells. A lot to choose from. Sitting near the rocks. This is my collection of seashells and rocks. This one is really cool. I think it's a piece of coral that somehow ended up on the beach. It has these holes in it. I'm not sure what it is, but it looks like a volcano. I found out that the best place to get seashells is right next to the shore. Around here. You know, where the sand becomes like gravel, right next to the water line. And all along this area, you'll just see seashells. It's the perfect place where all the seashells just accumulate near the debris of the ocean. shells get caught up in between everything. You just collect them all along this whole stretch here, right next to the water side. So many shells here. It's the perfect place if you're looking for seashells at the beach. You'll find a lot here. And that is how you get seashells. Look at that tree, it's so pretty. Now I'm gonna walk back with my seashells. Get a good exercise in. Just enjoying the sights. Wow, it's so bright outside. Squinting. The ocean is truly calming. It's really relaxing just sitting, looking at the beach, and so much sand. It feels great to be outside, surrounded by nature. Really enjoy the fresh breeze from the ocean.
It's easy to overlook the simple things in life. I spent my day on the shoreline, not just admiring the boats from afar, or watching the crows interact. This experience was more than that. I was completely immersed in the present. Nothing else seemed to matter. I was simply grateful to be alive. Before leaving, we made one stop at the food court. We went to the East Coast Rojak stall to get one of our favorite local dishes.
We're walking home. So full, Ma.
Full and sleepy.
Yeah. Food was really good. We're gonna go home. Yes. Then I'm going to eat rojak at home for dinner.
Rojak is a mixed fruit and vegetable salad that is very popular in Singapore, and this is what it looks like up close.
It's mostly fruits. There's this fried dough and this nice, sweet, yet little bit tangy sauce. It's the crispy bits of the dough that's just so nice. The pineapple and the cucumber. I ate a lot of cucumbers today. Oh, there's also this piece of like yam. The rojak sauce consists of peanuts, some chili, and sweet brown sugar. So it has a nice flavor dynamic to it. It's really good. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!